Here we come to the elevator at the Nugent building at the University of Arizona in Tucson, Arizona. There's our cab view. A different type of interlock. I'm not sure what that is. Is a Otis interlock. So this is an Otis elevator. Edge mode a little bit. This is an Otis elevator that has non-proprietary EPCO fixtures. Let's ring the bell. Pretty nice. Let's go up to 2 and listen to the motor. We are on 2. Again, I'm surprised, sorry, we couldn't hear the motor very well over the fan, but I'm surprised this does not have standard Otis fixtures like Series 1. Very nice, capacity 2,100 pounds. ADA compliant phone. Here we are on 1. Here we are on B, sorry. Let's ring the bell one last time. EPCO chime. And anyways, here it goes. And that's gonna be it.